Hello guys, in this one we are going to be covering DAPP token staking and rewards. Now I did cover DAPP token staking in the very beginning, right when the DAPP token came out, but at that point you had to manually interact with the contract through a block explorer. But now we have new options available via different DSP portals and user interfaces that makes staking a lot easier to understand and a lot easier to do. So in this one, we're going to be covering some of those options and showing you how to stake your DAPP token to get daily DAPP token rewards. If you don't know what we're talking about, DAPP token is the Liquidapps DSP network token. It is available on Nudex with the symbol DAPP. And a couple of the staking options we have here is dsp.eosnation.io. This is their packages section. You can see a list of all the packages offered here. And on the EOS Nation DSP portal, most of you will only be interested in the stake button here. So click on the stake. This will show you the stake packages that pay daily rewards, give you a daily airdrop in DAPP tokens for staking DAPP tokens to them. All these others are more for developers, which this network is really built for, offering cron jobs, Oracle services, accounts, VRAM, read services, log services, and stuff like that. So as a normal user, you won't really be needing these. I mean, you might find a case where you will need these, but more or less you're going to be interested in the stake feature. So come over on this portal, click on stake, and here are your choices to choose from. That's on the EOS Nation DSP portal, and there's also dsphq.io. And on this one, I'll be walking through the full staking procedure. So up at the top here, you can see packages. This is where I like to go, to the packages page. And over here on the right, filters. Filter by service. You have VRAM, scheduler, Oracle, Liquid Log, Liquid Lens, Liquid Accounts. Most of these you probably won't need, but then there is stake rewards. So just as an everyday EOS user with some DAPP tokens, like myself, I am only looking for the stake rewards at this point. So click the stake rewards in the filters, and that pops up the different packages that offer stake rewards. Now there is the minimum stake here, the minimum required to stake. Oh, let's go back. So min stake, min stake, min stake, min stake. A lot of these are quite high. There is this package here with only 100 DAPP required to stake. I have not tried this one out. The one I am using is the Blocks one here, Blocks DSP, and it does say a 10,000 minimum stake DAPP tokens, but you can stake less than that and earn rewards. I believe on one account I have 2,000-ish DAPP tokens staked, and I receive my rewards from them daily in DAPP token. So I'm not sure about these other ones like EOS Nation, if this is the true minimum that is required to receive stake. I do know that with the Blocks DSP staking rewards package, you don't need the minimum stake 10,000 in order to get the rewards daily. I think it is just as long as the stake amount you have provides rewards greater than 0.00001 DAPP daily, they pay it to you. So this is the one I'm going to stake some more tokens to here. So I clicked on it, obviously. Let me go back. You just click on which package you want. I want the Blocks DSP stake package. And here's the page you get. Now I'm not showing any DAPP tokens. That's because I am not logged in yet. So I need to log in up here in the upper right hand corner. On mainnet, yes, on mainnet. Log in. Choose which wallet I would like to log in with. I am a scatter guy, like probably most people out there. Select your EOS account, send EOS to Rob, that is the account I want to use, allow. And that should populate the DAPP tokens here. Okay, beautifully. So, I have 1,048.4911 DAPP that are available. I'm going to go ahead and stake all of those. Let me just copy and paste that into here. So, to simply stake them, you see how much you have available once you're logged in with your wallet. I am going to stake them all, put the number in there, click submit, scatter will pop up, and confirm the transaction is good here. DApp services, select package. I want the stake package from blocks DSP earned. Yes, that is what I want. And I am staking 2 blocks DSP earned, my 1048.4911 DApp tokens to the stake service package. Yep, that's exactly what I want. Click allow. Transaction submitted, view details, available balance went down to 0. And now my unstake, available to unstake, is what I just put in. So that's how to stake your DApp tokens and receive rewards. This is on the blocks stake service package. Now you can also use your DApp air hodl tokens. I'm not sure if I have air hodl tokens in this account. No. But for those tokens, those DApp HDL tokens, DApp hodl tokens you got through the DApp air hodl airdrop, for your account, you just have to come over here and click use air hodl tokens. It would show you the available balance of DApp HDL tokens, and then you just stake them the same way we just did with regular DApp tokens. These new interfaces make it a lot easier to stake your tokens and, you know, make you aware of which packages actually offer staking rewards and stuff. On both the EOS Nation and DSP HQ, you just filter to the service you want staking rewards. There are 4 available at this point. Oh, and something I didn't notice before. Now I am logged in with Scatter here, and now that I do have tokens staked to this package, there's this little check mark here letting me know that I have tokens staked to that package. So that's nice on the DSPHQ.io page. So I'll leave links in the description below to both DSPHQ as well as the EOS Nation DSP portal. This process is, you know, the same as DSPHQ. So there you go, guys. There's the new way to stake DApp tokens. A lot easier on the eyes and easier to understand and find packages you want to stake to. If you do have any questions, you can pop them down into the comments below. But just one final note here. The Telos Economic Development Plan has passed. They are implementing code changes right now that are on testnet and will be moving to mainnet soon in the future here. With the Telos Economic Development Plan, that brings 0% inflation and up to 30% Rex ROI. So if you want to learn more about the Telos EOS.io chain, the Telos Economic Development Plan, or pick up a free Telos account, check out the link in the description. This message was brought to you with the support of the Telos community via the Telos Worker Proposal System. But that's going to do it for me for this one. I will see you guys in the next one.